Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to send files on Facebook Messenger. So for that you need to open the Facebook Messenger on the desktop browser. So open a new tab on the browser and on the search bar you type in messenger.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official webpage of Messenger where you will need to get logged in into the account. So type in the email address or the phone number. Below you type in the password and then click on login. This will get you logged in into the Messenger account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you tap open the conversation, the chat conversation to which you want to send the file to. So I'm going to send this person a certain file. For you to send a file, you need to tap on this attach a file icon. You click that. Now from here you will be able to select and send any file from your PC to this person through Messenger. So you just select the file, click on open, and that file will be attached. Now you tap on send. This way you will be sending this file to that person on Facebook through the Messenger. So this is how you can send file on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.